When you want a stunning, smart roof box, En-ROAD Nomadix Pro is made just for that. Go to the wild, free your spirit, and enjoy a carefree adventure. Simple, yet striking, it perfectly matches today's automotive design trends. With precision design, it cuts wind, drag, and noise like no other in its class. Forget traditional mechanical keys. No more forgetting or losing them. Unlock faster and safer than ever. Click-hold system installs in just 2 simple steps with flat design, freeing up more storage space. The rail tie system, secure, versatile, and keeps your gear steady no matter how you pack it. With double-sided opening, you can easily access your items and park in any situation. With a 30-watt solar panel on the top of the box, Park is always ready, powering full-width tail lights that combine style and technology. Yes, this is exactly how roof boxes should be in the new era. That's right. As an ideal all-day outdoor companion, Park is a 20,000 milliampere power bank. It can easily power your phone or other small devices during outdoor trips. Want to go camping? Let's go. It instantly transforms into a camping light with 3 color temperatures, stepless dimming, and ultra-long battery life. Built-in SOS mode, 1 click, and help is on the way when you need it most. No more fumbling in the dark. Motion and light sensors clearly light up storage areas for easy access. Safety is always a top concern for any rooftop gear. Reinforced structural design, tough under pressure, ensuring complete safety. High-speed driving? Don't worry. With front-located secondary lock, you can move forward steadily no matter how fast you go. Every test is a proof of quality, ensuring reliable performance in all conditions and guarding your journey all the way. From the city to the great outdoors, Nomadix Pro Roof Box carries more possibilities, taking you on delightful journeys.